Dali.
Please pardon.
Do you believe na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan?
Shit, oh my God. Okay, thank you for wonderful question, Regardless audience. Kung po, para po sa akin...
No, you must speak in English.
Aray ko, hindi ka sumagot. Para po sa akin, oh.
No, speak in English.
Yes, because why? Because
Try.
I'm so confident, because I'm so third sex or bisexual. And 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8, for indefinitely, because why? Why, Delilah?
Be, may kanta siya doon. What is beauty, be? What is beauty? Okay, makinig kayo. What is beauty, be?
What is beauty? The brain is empty.
Billy, what is beauty?
What is beauty if the brain is empty?
Hello? Huh?
What is beauty if the brain is empty?
With song? Yes, what is beauty? What? Pardon, please.
What is beauty if the brain?
Is the brain.
If
Okay.
the brain is empty.
What is beauty is...
In Tagalog, ano ang ganda kung wala mang utak?
Aray ko po, parang sila yung nawala.
Ang kanta mo ka, Billy.
Okay, with song. Beauty. Beauty in the day. You got the happy side. Ayoko na ganyan. Parang ang hard.
Parang,
Ang tagal ng hard.
Ha? Hard. Yung Everline. Mas sumuro si ata si Doke.
Bes, saan ka ba nag-high school?
Ha?
Saan nag-high school?
Ano? ICCT.
Be, oy, nag-college siya. Saan pa
Saan nag-college?
Ha?
Saan nag-college?
UP.
Tanghali.
Ha?
Tanghali.
BCC. Kalong.
Merienda.
Ha?
Merienda.
Santa Lucia.
Paggabi.
Ha?
Paggabi.
Enteron.
Oy, taray.
madaling
Anong
araw.
course mo?
Major Science, Technology, Computer, Economic, France.
Ano daw?
English?
Ha?
Ano kayo?
Ano?
Ano?
Suma ka?
Naging valedictorian ka ba, be?
Yeah, I'm not.
Naging valedictorian ka. Di ba sabi mo?
Dulog ng pota.
Hoy,
Gilawang bali na lamuno ka.
naging valedictorian ka, di ba?
Yes, 3 beses.
Saang
Grade
school?
1, kinder prep.
Grade 1 kinder prep. Gago.
So, wala pa rin kayo doon.
Be, naniniwala ka ba sa love?
Ha?
Nagmahal ka na ba?
Shit, wait.
Be.
May.
Ay, taray!
Lab! Lab! Si Lab! Si Lab! Kaya darangan.
Gago. Yung nagre-rebound pa, be.
Ay, ba magpakilala ka na lang. My name is April, ganun.
Okay. Maayong gabi sa inyo, so they say, a blessing even to each and everyone. By the way, my name is April Sanaka, Sacramento, Marigal, Inalis Compound, Monte Vista, Belventura, Santos Reyes, De Lara, Chua, Mendoza, Ocaya, Arcangel, Pursimataro, Junior Expang, from Reyes, from Altamonte, here. Nais ko mag-iwan sa Katagang, hindi nyo po malilimutan. Di bali na maliit, basta matigas. Tsak! Pwede na yan. Candidate number 1, Miss Liza De Castro.
Taray!
Junior X-Bang.
May Junior X-Bang.
Hip hop.
Ikaw na naman yung sa natin.
Go na.
A blessing evening.
Bigot ka.
A blessing even to each and everyone.
Bigot.
It's honor of you. It's a 15 Fresh Virgin. I'm 15 years old. It's honor. Hulis environment. Baro Chiquito. Chiquito from Chicharon. Nais ko mag-iwan sa Tagang. Hindi mo malilimutan. Di bali lang bakla may lawit. Wag lang ang Highlit.
Itawan na.
Flowers for you, water is dry, but my feelings for you will say never say goodbye.
Goodbye ka rin. Kato mo ba? Nandito ako
Good
goodbye.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maria Monte Carlo. Please don't love me.
Go.
No,
Let's
no.
repeat. Go mo.
Mr. Pip. Please
From
continue,
backward
eh, no?
sideward.
Backward side one.
May kapag-paso 1 seconds go.
Ang sakit na ng puso ko.
Ayoko na, babae ako yun.
Oh.
Go, move, go! Nandiyan tayo ako sa unang hirit.
Be, ay interview mo daw siya, Be.
Wait lang.
Be, interview mo daw si April.
Ang pangit pa nga.
Be,
What is your favorite cartoon character? Itanong mo kay
Be,
April.
Leila. Pagpasok ng ganyan, anong unang papasok?
Ha? Mukha mo.
Pagpasok ng CR, anong laman?
Ha?
Be, kwento mo naman kung anong meron sa bahay niyo.
Pagpasok sa bahay, anong laman?
Okay, nandito po tayo sa Channel 7, Channel 23, Channel 35, from 35 up home, home, studying. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kanina naman. Hello guys, Shopper April here. Nandito po tayo sa SNL, CBA, Taytarista. Siyempre dito po natin makikita ang iba't ibang mukha na malalaman natin. Like me, like here, water for you, water for giving for water lily. Ladies and gentlemen. Nadidingot ako.
Aray ko yung puso ko, sakit ko.
Pagpasok sa inyong ano?
Ha?
Ganito mo nga yung bahay nyo.
Ay, okay. Ay, okay. Yeah, ay, okay. Here for you.
Gapo niya, no?
Ha? Taki bente.
Bakit?
Okay na lang. Parang hindi naman.
Gusto mo ng kiss?
Ay, wait.
Oy.
Fresh virgin. Ay,
May kwento mo yung bahay nyo.
Ha?
Kwento mo ano meron sa bahay
meron.
nyo.
Bakit mo talaga kami gusto ako?
Ano nga meron? Describe yung bahay nyo.
SM Taytay
Tanungin mo na lang kasi ako what is your favorite cartoon character?
5 years old.
5 years! 5 years old.
5 years old.
5 years.
13 formation.
Be!
Hello.
Ano ba yun?
April, what is your favorite cartoon character?
What is your favorite cartoon character?
Oh my God, what is favorite character?
Cartoon character.
Sabi na nga, siya nga. What is favorite character? Ano ba yan? What is favorite character? What is favorite ano lang? What is favorite hero na lang? Gano'n na lang yung hero yung character.
What is the temperature, Bem?
What is temperature?
Hindi mo na sa character.
Cartoon character, go! Move!
What is your favorite cartoon character?
What is favorite character? Ano naman eh? What is favorite cartoon character?
Wait lang.
Si, ano?
What is your favorite cartoon?
Cartoon?
Character. Character.
Yes. What is favorite cartoon character? Wala ko matama! What is favorite
Cartoon ka.
cartoon character?
Cartoon.
Ay, na okay na yun.
What is favorite cartoon character?
Oh, yun.
What is favorite character? Okay, what is favorite character?
Cartoon ka.
What is favorite character is Heidi.
Oh, go, behave!
Heidi.
What is favorite character is Heidi. Because why? Because Heidi is character is clowns.
Ano daw?
Clowns. Si Heidi nakatayo sa ano sa ulap. Clowns. Sure ka. Okay, what is favorite character is Peter Pan. Because my Peter Pan character is Fly. Fly away. Got a bigger smile.
Cinderella.
What is favorite character is Cinderella. Because why you're so confident? Because you're so my heels.
Why?
Anong naiwan ni Cinderella?
Here.
Heels.
Alam mo yung makeup niya, di ba? Diba? What is favorite character is Snow White. Because why you're so apple?
Apple.
Lahat ni
An
Cinderella is
S.
Snow White.
Apple.
Alam mo mangga, di ba? Ha?
Beauty and the Beast.
What is favorite Beauty and the Beast? Beauty and the Beast.
Galing mo naman yun. Galing mo na, tatagal tayo.
Be, ikaw naman mag-
Ha?
Hi, April.
Hello, nagsimutas TV pa to. Sabi mo, nakagulo. Ang isang bawat oras mga squatter. For example, this one woman, 1 plus 1 is 1. Siyempre, nagsimutas sa Anika from KKK. Talo magkalanta from Italy. Diba? May kasama tayo, wow, halupet. Wow, magic scene.
Dahil nasa soko tayo tao.
Pero nahilo ako. Kasi, pag ano, akitsuma na naman kasi nun. Utang itong halo.
Balik ka.
Gago, hindi.
Hindi niya kaya.
Hindi ako makainom mo.
Kain na.
Cleavage.
Ilang year, ano yan? Ilang taon?
5 inches. Ilang taon, bagong taon.
Wacky.